Today we've got a iPhone 7 with no audio, typical. We're going to show you and demonstrate to you how to fix this issue and what to do if your speaker does get grayed out. You're more than welcome to pop past our shop and then we can assist you. Yeah, let's dive in, guys. So I turned the phone on. As normal, we got a long boot on the phone. As you can see, it's trying to boot, but it's just not playing nice. Let's give it a minute or so for it to boot, and then we can take it from there. Hey guys, so after some time the phone now boots and turns on. We're gonna go into, let's just make a phone call, just a practice phone call. As we can see, guys, it's grayed out, can't do nothing. Let's also go to voice memos to just explain to you as well. Voice memos, and allow. You see, no audio devices found. That means that you have audio IC issue. We'll demonstrate under the microscope what needs to happen in order to fix this issue. Guys, that's the sound IC. That nice shiny big chip. That is causing the issue for no sound.
No sound on the phone is very slow.
Long boot loops, slow, laggy. Okay guys, let's dive under the microscope and see what's happening. Okay guys, that's the sound IC. So basically what we need to do is we need to take the chip off, run a micro jumper, cure it, and then put it back on. Apply some real life flux. Out.
education. I don't really have an explanation. guess you're welcome to overstay. Just don't build up your expectations. It's not a good time to test my patience. And don't get in this situation.
Make the pad flat as possible.
Cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking the name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. Cause you got yourself into this. It's less than to at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you are exactly where I want. Said I probably lost my mind. Well, you're welcome to try to find. But dear, don't you be surprised if I'm not here when you look behind. Guess I have my own destination, and you're staring at the wrong direction. I'm not looking for your confirmation. Cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking the name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. Cause you got yourself into this. It's less enter at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and you say you're not gonna take part in this mind play. Well, that's just the kind of price that you gotta pay. Said you have to go, but now you kinda wanna stay. Kinda wanna stay. Cause you're chasing the hurricane, taking the name in vain. My God, it's such a shame. Such a shame. Cause you got yourself into this. It's less enter at your own risk. Now your name is on my list, and
as you can see, there's some balls missing, so we're gonna have to remove it. while it's still hot. And give it a quick float. That's enough, guys. Chip. Beautifully removed. I see.
Now we're pushing the jumper.
Let's do it. Let's continue and watch the jumper. We're going to be using 0.00 mil wire. It is super fine. You can hardly even see it in the camera, guys. It's just, yeah, you can't even capture it. But basically, it's yeah, if you can see that.
Under the scope.
We'll put it under the scope and you guys can have a look. Looks giant under the scope, but in real life, it's very small. What we tend to do is that pad and we're gonna run a jumper. The importance of this is there's actually when you get grayed out, there's actually a break, and that line is the master clock line to the CPU. So that's why you get no sound, and also long boot times. Done. Just gonna cut that wire. Clean it with some alcohol. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to put some UV glue, some UV mask here on just a little blob of it. Then we're going to use UV light. Let it cure. flip the chip, otherwise nothing's going to work. Gonna do a dance. Once you can see that it moved its place. A little dance over there. A little nudge and you're done. Get out of there as soon as possible. Let's wait for the board to cool. And let's test, guys.
Where's the screen? Battery flags. Off. Yeah, there you go. Cool. So I can see what's going on. As you can see, it booted faster than usually.
Much faster. We're just gonna get the password. Sorry guys, we're just gonna get the password. Data confidentiality is very important to us. There we go, as we can see. Yeah, you can see the speakers back and it's now making sound, guys. Means that it's working. Let's test baseband, test all that other stuff. Baseband's up and working, guys. Making sure. with SIM card?
The number you have dialed does not exist. Please redial carefully or consult.
Come down to our store. It's working. We'll gladly sort you out. We also offer walk-ins, mail-ins, anywhere from South Africa. This is our details. Thanks guys. See you in the next video.